In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce your no-show rate using a Calendly workflow. If you're frustrated by clients or colleagues missing scheduled meetings, stick around because we'll walk through an effective solution step by step. First, you'll want to log in to your Calendly account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready and head over to the Calendly website. Once you're logged in, look to the main menu. There, you'll see the Workflows tab, and that's where you'll need to click Next. Here's a quick note. The Workflows feature is a handy tool, but it's only available for paid Calendly accounts. So if you're using a free account and find these tips valuable, consider upgrading to unlock these capabilities. Now, once you're in the Workflows section, you're going to create a new workflow. Calendly offers you a choice. Either select a ready-made template or start from scratch. For most people, using a template is the easiest way to get started. If your goal is to reduce the number of no-shows, Calendly has some particularly useful templates designed for just this purpose. Look for options like Reminder Email to Invitee or Text Invitee to Reconfirm. These are practical templates that trigger reminders and confirmations to the invitee before the meeting happens. After you've chosen a template, or if you've decided to build something more custom from the ground up, you'll need to pick the event type that this workflow will apply to. Think about the specific meetings where no-shows are an issue, and target those events specifically. Next, it's time to configure the specifics, the timing and actions of your workflow. Maybe you need a reminder to go out 24 hours before the event, or perhaps a reconfirmation text an hour before. Whatever fits your schedule and needs best. To really make these messages resonate, you'll want to customize them. Adjust the content to reflect your brand's tone or style. Consider adding personal touches like including the invitee's name and key meeting details using dynamic fields. Once you've got everything set up to your satisfaction, you're ready for the final step, activating the workflow. Make sure you review all the details once more to ensure everything is configured correctly. Once activated, your workflow will start doing its magic, helping you reduce those pesky no-shows by keeping your attendees informed and reminded. And there you have it. With just a few adjustments, you can make a big difference in ensuring the people you've scheduled time with remember and make it to the meetings they committed to. Implement these techniques and watch your no-show rates fall. A simple yet powerful way to optimize your time and make the most of your meetings. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the results you're looking for.